Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can access Google Colab using your Python code. So Google Colab is a platform where you can type your Python code and run the code and see the result. You do not need to install anything in your system. So let us see how you can try it. First of all, you need to create one new notebook from file location. Then you need to click on the file icon in the left like this. It will connect. Give it some time. It is now showing sample data which is frequently used, but we do not want to use that. We want to use our own Google Drive. So copy this code and paste it in here. Then run this. Then it will ask for permission. You can give it permission safely because both are Google. So we're giving the permission. Let's click allow. Then let it connect. Okay, now you can access your Google file using by going back. You will see in content another file called drive. If you go inside, you will see the drive content. I do not want to show you my content, so I will not open any further, but I will show you how to access a file that is present. You need to copy this code or any code that is asking for a file location. You can use that code and paste it here. In here there is a location of the file text.txt in my drive. So this is from where my drive's home root location begins. I have created another folder, rather it was created automatically, where I have kept another folder data and inside that text. So I'm going to run it. Now you can see the result is visible. The truth is I am not human. Is it true? I do not know. Maybe you will know. That is all I wanted to show. Now you can head over to the blog for the code. Just search for this. Maybe I will remember to give the link in the description. Maybe I will not. Who knows? But until then, goodbye. Take care. See you in the next video.